One of our investor clients feels right now is the best time to buy multifamily real estate in Orange County. And we as a team have helped him exceed his goal this year, and he's under contract buying his second property. Here's how we helped him out. All right, so to dive in, this investor is a busy entrepreneur. He's got a young family, he's got a business he owns, and he knows he needs to acquire good real estate and hold long term, but he doesn't have a whole lot of time to go out and find the properties, negotiate the contracts, work with various realtors, and then not know who to use for financing, not know who to use for all the inspectors. So we handled everything for him. And for that, he's acquiring another property ahead of schedule, and he's exceeding his goals for 2024, again, in a market where he feels right now is the best time to be buying. So let's dive in. So one property that he acquired this year was in Costa Mesa. This is a property that came on the market that we have been tracking. We know it's a great piece of real estate at a fair price, and he could get in without a whole lot of other buyer competition. We showed the opportunity to him. We negotiated the contract for him. We educated him on step-by-step on what to do and did all the heavy lifting where it didn't take him a whole lot of time away from his family and his business to make the decisions. So when it was time to sign the contract, we negotiated it. So again, we found the property, we put it under contract, negotiated it for him. We helped him open escrow. We had all of our vendors, approved vendors at the inspection. So he went through, we had our management company there, we had the plumber there, the roofer there, the contractor there. He also had an ADU guy that he came recommended for, so that person was there. So we lined all that up at the inspection, went through and did the inspection on all the units, went through and made sure that everything checked out, and he really relied on our team to roll that up to him and say, here's some issues that I think we need to address. Everything else checks out. We also gave him access to one of our lenders. He's getting great financing in today's market. That's the best rates in town that not a lot of people know about. We certainly share it, but the market doesn't really know about this one particular lender. So we made it so easy on him that he closed. 6 months later, another property came up that we've been tracking, and it's in the same area. It's another really good property. It's a great long-term hold. And since we made it so easy for the owner, he wasn't stressed out or overwhelmed, and he could say, oh, this is easy, I can go out and buy another building. And again, we had the vendors there, we had escrow all negotiated, we found the deal, we had the ADU guy there, we had the entire team making sure that we're inspecting this property for this buyer. So again, looking back, even if the market doesn't take off next year, this is a fantastic long-term investment, these two assets. And again, we're helping that investor reach his goals. He's getting big depreciation off these properties as well that is offsetting a lot of his income that he has within his business. So again, a lot of value points that we provide, really white glove service to our investor clients. We're looking at the market daily. We know what deals are out there, and we want to make sure that this investor would jump when we said jump, and he listened. And that was the most important thing. So we're so happy to help build this client's wealth, get him great real estate, put him in touch with all the right people, and then watch it continue to grow. If you're looking to acquire multifamily real estate in Orange County, feel free to reach out to our team. We understand the market, we put clients first, and we really care about helping investors grow their wealth. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.